Let's make this money.
Let's move. The platform is just very simple to use. Quidax. Quidax is a digital asset exchange that allows my friends and I, and even you, to buy and sell crypto, your local currency.
And blah 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 blah, guys. Some of you must have seen this ad, especially the ones that watch the Big Brother Niger show over and over and over again. Well, if you don't know the ad is basically Donjazy hyping this crypto app that claims you can use it to buy and sell crypto in your local currency high for as low as 2k or even lower. So basically we're going to see, is Donjazy really doing this for money, or is it really legit? Or also going to see, is this app a scam? Is it another Ponzi scheme? Is it just a crypto scam? We're also going to see, is it really easy to use?
It's just very simple to use.
To save dollars. Okay guys, we're all going to be checking that together, but before we go into that, I would like you to subscribe for this type of content so you don't miss it next time, and also drop a like so I'll be very honest in this video. So guys, before wasting any much time, let's go hop into my phone and crack this app. Let's go ahead and install Quidax and check it out ourselves. So I'm going to be doing like a total walkthrough of everything and testing out. I'll also make sure to test out what they say the app does from Play Store. So basically I've already installed Quidax, but I haven't created an account here. So I would like to like join the beta program too. So probably if they have any other features, probably if they have any other features, I'll be able to see it. So first of all, this is what we're basically going to be looking out for in Quidax. That is buying and selling of crypto, save and earn in dollars, withdraw to your account, safely store assets, extra level protection. So we're going to check out all these and see if they are actually true. We see the ratings are very high, but we're going to actually try to like rate it on our own. So we are into Quidax and we can see a very nice display, very nice UI here. So that's basically like a thumbs up for Quidax. And also we are able to see a little feature in the app, just the available cryptos and all. So looking very nice, but let's go ahead and sign up. This is one thing I don't like, actually signing up for this platform that won't actually allow the Google option itself. So I'll go ahead and enter my password. I'm going to create an account. Okay, they said my email is already being used. I think I had an account some time ago. So guys, I basically went ahead to go and log in since they claimed I already had an account. So I'm actually going to try to log in now. Okay guys, we are into Quidax now. I'm going to try to look at every single detail quite very closely, and actually like tell you guys what I'm thinking in my mind, why I actually look at everything. So let's go ahead and see. Basically, one thing I like checking out is the minimum deposits. Like what's the minimum you can actually deposit into like your Quidax account. And basically we see we can deposit in crypto. I don't know, I really hope we could deposit in Naira. Okay, here it is. We can actually deposit in Naira. You cannot deposit until you complete your identity verification. Okay, so this is why I don't like. But let's see if we can actually complete the identity verification and see if I can get in. So basically guys, I've tried the identity verification. So they said it's going to take some time for them to finish checking it, so I don't have that much time in this video. So maybe in the next video I'm going to show you guys how the verification went. So before that, let's actually check out what we can do without being verified. Let's see if we can actually buy without being verified. Let's go ahead and select. And I also love to see the minimum amount we can buy. Okay, we don't even have any Naira to buy with. Okay, but hopefully, oh, that's a problem. So we can't really buy anything unless we verify our accounts, which is a bummer. So basically, you can only check the market, how market is doing. Basically what they are getting from coin market cap, as you can see here. And okay, instant buy again. So we don't have any money. We need to verify before we can actually deposit, before we can actually buy. So in the next video, guys, I'll be showing you guys my account after it's being, because it's currently being reviewed right now. But I want to see if we can actually transfer some assets, maybe some crypto into this Quidax. And let's see. I think I have some of this in another wallet. Okay, guys, we can actually receive. We can actually wait. We can't receive. We can't do anything, guys. This is so annoying. We can't do it. We can literally not do anything before. Wow. So let's check out the referral. And we can't also refer unless our identity is verified. So Quidax is basically useless unless your account is being verified. So basically, I think that will be all for today. In the next video, hopefully my account will be approved and I'll show you guys every single thing. So guys, I think you have to subscribe now.